Bonjour et bienvenue en français avec Poonam. Hello and welcome to French with Poonam. Today we will be discussing some of the French words with the sound O, as in the English alphabet O or the alphabet O in French, which is pronounced the same way as in English. The sound is O. Okay, so in French, the combination of letters A, U or A, U produces the sound O. O. So here's a look at some of the words, some French words having this sound O. Starting with O. O means water in French. O. Then this second word is beau. Beau, handsome. Third word is beaucoup. Here's P is silent. Beaucoup. Beaucoup means a lot. Gâteau. Gâteau is a cake. Couteau. Couteau means knife. Chapeau. Chapeau is a hat. Chateau. Chateau is a palace. Bateau. Bateau is a boat. Manteau. Manteau. Manteau is a coat. Okay. Oiseau. Oiseau means a bird in French. Oiseau. Tableau. Tableau is a board. Okay. Anneau. Ring. Anneau. Cadeau. Gift. Cadeau. Corbeau. Corbeau is crow. Jaune. Jaune is yellow color. Aussi. Aussi means also. This is today. Okay. So it is pronounced like this. Aujourd'hui. Aujourd'hui. Today. Chaud. Chaud means hot. Here also D is silent. Mauvais. Mauvais. Till here mauvais. Bad. Mauvais means bad. And this is gauche, which is left, to the left. Gauche. Right? So here are 20 words that we have discussed in French having the sound O. So if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel for more such French learning videos. Till then, see you in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you so much. Merci beaucoup.